Good morning. I'm hoping your leg. I'm hoping your leg. Epi. 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 Wake up. Epi. Wake up.
I'm recording, baby.
Epi. Wake up.
Good morning, beautiful.
Wake up. Come on.
How is your day?
Come on, you guys. Wake up. Epi, wake up. I'll give you some water. That's what Dad just said, hippie. Dad just opened up one of those little baths and he's like, oh, that's fucking gross. I want to get up. I want to get up with me and just at least visit with me while I'm here before I leave, please. Because you guys aren't coming to Pam's and you guys like abandoned me for the second time. Oh. No, you're not. Okay, you're still alive, away. Come on.
I can't jump.
I'm asking you to jump. You just, it's step by step. You have to sit up, and then you can like swing your legs over, and then you stand up. I surely did. I'll make sure you have blankets when you come back to bed. No, but you're getting up. Come on. Wake up!
Let go.
Happy!
Give me like 5 minutes.
I'll give you 5 minutes, because then you're just going to fall back asleep and you're not going to get up at all. And I've only got like 15 minutes to be here at all.
I'm lying. 20 minutes.
I'm not lying. I'm not lying, you fucker.
Stop.
You know me, and I'm just going to fuck with you till you wake up. Just get up for like 15 minutes with me and come right back to bed. Please. Don't disappoint me. You're making me want to cry.
I am crying on the inside already.
So am I. Come on, let's go cry together.
I can't right now because I can't.
Come on.
Alright, give me 2 minutes then. 2 minutes?
It's already been 4.
Thank you, baby.
No, I need 2 minutes starting in 30 seconds.
No, starting right now. 1,
Kate, where the fuck are you?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Hey, baby.
8.
Holy shit, dude. I'm fucking up. Oh my
I was
god.
about to grab the guitar and start playing.
Oh my god. Where the fuck is it? I am fucking up. No, get out of here. Come on, dude. Oh my god.
You wanted 2 minutes on myself. 1,